Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through uploading a new recipient list to the platform. This is used for targeted and personalized messaging campaigns. All recipient lists must contain phone numbers. More advanced lists include the recipient's first and last name, as well as data like geographic location or interests that can be used to customize messages. To get started, click on Recipients List and then click Create Recipient List. Name your list, click Upload File, and click Next. Drag your file into the window or navigate to the file using your system's navigation tools. Your file can be an Excel or CSV file. You'll need to label the columns with the phone numbers and names so that your customized messages can access data from your recipient list. Click Next. MessageWhiz will validate the list, remove duplicate numbers, and prepare your list for use. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.